Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Well, there's money, but I couldn't catch it in time. Yeah, I'll just try to press the button. Why is it still red? Finally, okay. Oh, now it's stumbling. Oh no. I'll sit on this side, because it has more spots. There's a spool in the middle now, yeah. I'm probably going to stay on this side, and I'll survive longer, probably. Uh-oh. It's getting a lot faster. Oh, there's no warnings anymore, just going. There are warnings. Oh, I barely made it. I was so close. Oh, I died. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna go right here. Oh, that was kind of hard. Well, actually, it's kind of easy. Okay. I need to press the button. Oh, I can't press it because someone's on it. Wait. Oh. Oh no. It's the chosen one. Guys, McBlocky Face 100 free is sponsored. Oh no. Okay, I got one. Uh-oh. How many people? Oh, there's only 3 people left. The guy down there and another guy. Yeah, I shot at him. Oh, he died. Let's see if I can win this. Ooh, this is really close. Uh-oh. Think if okay, I died. We click it. Yes, I got it. With the rockets. Oh, so I'm with the other rockets. Okay, so I'm also gonna use a jetpack because I forgot I had it. Hmm. It's not that bad, but soon I think it'll be a lot harder. Since the last time I played this. I was so close. Hmm. Oh my god. That I was oh my okay. Oh, that's really fast. I don't think I would have been able to survive that. Look how many there are. It's crazy. Let me get it. Yes, I got it. Okay. Go. Oh, what is going on? I'm gonna score a goal. Wait. Well, watch me cook. Oh no. Oh no. I just gotta keep pushing it. Yes. Uh-oh. I don't think anybody's getting a goal. Okay, I'm gonna see if this does anything. Yeah, no one scored a goal. Well, that's kind of sad. Wait. Oops. Got it. Oh no. Okay, I got it in time. Ooh, that was kind of close. Actually, I'm not sure because it goes up pretty slow. My statue. Oh no. Oh, my statue died. I wanna see. It's so like red down there. Oh. Get to the end without jumping. Also, if you're wondering, I'm not using my jetpack because it's kind of funner. Because the jetpack makes it like a lot less funner. Oh, okay. I didn't see. Okay, I'll just wait because I couldn't make it in time. Okay, I can make this one though. Okay, gone there, there, almost there. Oh, I missed. Okay, we don't talk about that. I have an idea. I want to troll the McBlocky face. Oh my god, I trolled the chosen one. Wait, I might be done for. I chose the McBlocky. Guys, you remember McBlocky, like the chosen one? Okay, I'll stand still. Okay. Ew. Why is it brown? Wait, I wanna. Oh no, I trolled myself. Okay, let's see. Void the cube. Oh no. Oh no, why is there a cube? I wanna see if that works. Wait, why would it work? Okay, I think I'll just stay as far as I can away from it. Because if I don't, then that'll be like bad. Because it is kind of getting really fast. Oh, well, I can kind of just phase for everything, I think. So that's kind of the hard part. Oh no. Oh, they almost died. No, this guy in the corner. Oh no. I'm not sure if it's getting faster actually. Oh no. Wait, it might be in a loop. Yay, we won. There's a VIP in here? Okay. Wait, can we just pick it up? Oh, okay. Okay, I found another present. Where do you think other presents would be? Oh, back here. Yes. Get the button first. No, I didn't. Reach the end. I think I can do this. I was so close. Yes, I made it. Oh, that was kind of hard. But I'm not really sure. People are just dying. I have a funny idea. I'm gonna. Oh, wait, I don't even have an arm. Oh my god. Wait, see us? Oh, I can make it to the end again, probably. Watch this. Oh, almost died. Find the most amount of fireworks. Hmm. I'm not sure, but like I'm not sure if they're in the houses. Or, like they're just here somewhere. Oh, I found one. Yes, I've got one. I'm looking around this side because everybody's gonna be on the other sides. Check the corners. I just checking that spot. I don't know, cause it kind of looked like that. Hmm. Just checking. Oh, I found one. Yes, I found another one. I see another one, but yeah, I can't get it. There's other people. I see one over there. Oh no. Oh, that didn't work. But they still slipped on it. Hey, that's my revenge, buddy. For stealing my thing. Okay, guys. I think that's it for today's video. So I'll see you in the next video.